How's it going, everybody? Today I'm drawing a mysterious figure. This is a woman I once saw in the hallways of a psych ward. I'm not afraid of being open because this is how I get most of my artwork, is from bad memories, as odd as that is. This woman every day would come out of her room, walk down the hallway in nothing but a cardigan, let it start to fall, and then just continue to walk with no clothes down the hallway. It was weird. And the orderlies would come by and the nurses, and they would stop her and try to get her back to her room. But I figured I'd draw her today. This was about 15 years ago. I don't remember her face. So I'm going to go a little more into the void and smudge a little bit here when it comes to her head, especially because I don't want the focus to be there. The focus should be on the cardigan itself, mainly. So that's what I attempted to do, was to centralize this picture on the cardigan and realize that it's on a woman sliding off. That's about it. And I didn't use a lot of materials, just willow charcoal, compressed charcoal, charcoal pencils, some white charcoal, which is basically just chalk, and my kneaded eraser and whatnot, the basics. And I like how this one came out. This was actually a good one. So I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and thanks for watching.